Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, today's video is about a topic that I've been diving into lately, and that is the topic of honey, as in bee honey. Now, first of all, it's delicious. It's very natural. It's very healthy. It has antibacterial properties. And yeah, I like to use it, eat it, but also carry it with me on hikes because of its antibacterial properties. Now, I thought it was a very simple topic to dive into because, hey, it's made by bees, they visit flowers, they make honey, and that's it. Well, not so much, because like a lot of things in this world, sometimes honey is fake. And if you go into the store, you will see loads and loads of honey, but not all of it is actually organic, or even pure for that matter. A lot of honey types have been mixed with lower grade honey, and that has been done while the honey has been heated. Now, when you heat honey, you lose a lot of its beneficial properties, right? So, pure biological honey should be unheated, should be 100% pure. And if you want to have the label biologic, here in Holland anyway, or I should say the Netherlands, because you can't say Holland anymore. Here in the Netherlands, you can only use the term biologic if the beehives have been in a location where it's a minimum of 3 kilometer distance from any industrial activity. Reason being that they will visit flowers, and if these flowers have been treated with pesticides, then the pesticides will end up in the honey. Now, we don't have that kind of space here in Holland, so the biological honey that we get is typically from France or from Germany. But if you, for example, get honey from China, or it's been produced in China, then it's often heated and it's often mixed. So, if you want to be 100% sure that your honey is the real deal, then I would suggest you buy it from a beekeeper, right? And they have a reputation to uphold. Because believe it or not, if you send honey to a lab, they can actually determine exactly where that honey has been made based on the pollen content, right? So yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys. A lot of things in grocery stores are not what you think they are. When it comes to things like honey, I think that's pretty important. I would rather pay a few bucks more, make sure that I have the real deal, than buying some substitute where I have the idea that it's healthy and it's in fact something that has been heated, mixed, and has added syrup to it and that kind of thing, right? So that's what I want to share with you guys. Maybe it's a little bit of awareness, let's call it that. But yeah, let me know what you think on the topic. And yeah, by buying honey from beekeepers, you're also ensuring that the bees stay around, which is extremely important, right? So that's it for this short little video. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.